Hi, and welcome to another ZarMoney training session. In this video, we're going to show you how to edit templates. One of ZarMoney's unique features is how customizable it is. Nowhere is this more evident than with our template system. The ability to customize your sales and invoice templates is a feature exclusive to ZarMoney. All you need to take advantage of this is have Microsoft Word. You can use one of your own templates, or you can edit one of our pre-made templates to get just the right look for your business. To get started creating your customized documentation, you'll first need to download the template you would like to customize. To do that, click on the Company Preferences and then click on Templates. For this example, we are going to use invoices. To download a template, click on the black arrow next to the template you want to download. After downloading and opening the template, you'll be able to edit the template to your specifications. Feel free to change the labels, layout, and locations of everything. On the template, you'll notice a lot of text that is surrounded by double brackets. These are merge fields, and they collect the various pieces of data and place them on the template. To move a merge field, simply highlight the field so that it shows a dark gray color, and either cut and paste or copy and paste. To edit a merge field, highlight the field in a dark gray color, right-click and select Toggle Field Codes. Then, edit the name of the field to reflect the data we want it to show. When you are finished changing the name, right-click again and select Update Field. After you've made all the changes you want, be sure to save the document. To check and see if we were successful in editing the merge field, we'll need to upload the template and see a print preview of the transaction with the template selected. If you're using custom fields on your documentation and would like them to show up on your documents, you will need to enable them in the advanced settings of the document you are wanting them to appear on. To do that, click on Company Preferences and then click on Templates. For this example, we are going to use invoices. To enable custom fields, click on the pencil icon next to the template you'd like them to appear on. Click on Show Advanced Settings. Check the boxes next to the custom field or fields you want to be displayed. When finished, click Save. To see your custom field show up on your template, create a print preview of the document. There are two options when it comes to using custom merge fields. The first option is use the Custom Fields merge field. All of ZarMoney's templates come with a Custom Fields merge field on them by default. This will list all the custom fields you've applied along with their associated data. This is great if you only have one custom field to display, but could clutter things up if you have multiple custom fields to add. The second option is to give each custom field its own merge field. To do this, we're going to edit the merge field the same way we did in our Edit Template article with one addition. To get started, we're going to copy the custom field's merge field. Next, highlight the field in dark gray, right-click, and select Toggle Field Codes. Then, edit the name to reflect the custom field we want it to show. When changing the name, we're going to add quotation marks, UDT, colon, the name of the custom field, and end quotation marks. When finished, right-click again and select Update Field. After you have made all the changes, save the document. To check your work, upload the template into ZarMoney and view the template with the print preview screen. And that's it for this training video. For more help, please visit us at help.zarmoney.com.